Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to measure distance on Google Maps. If you like to calculate the distance between two or more points on Google Maps, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Google Maps application on your Android or your tablet, and now touch and hold anywhere on the map and you should see a red pin appear. Once you do that, at the bottom, tap on the name of the place and then click on directions. As soon as you do that, you'll mark a route from your location to that place. In order to measure distance between the points, you can see that at the bottom of the screen, the time that will take to reach to the destination and the distance has been displayed on the screen. You can also calculate the distance between two or more points on the map. For example, if you want to measure the mileage in a straight line between two cities, what you'll need to do is go and select any other cities that you'd like to measure the distance between and press hold the location until the red pin appears and tap on the red pin one more time. In the expanded menu at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option that says measure distance. Now simply slide through the screen in order to measure the distance. The distance will be displayed on the screen at the bottom left over here. Now if you'd like to add a next point or points, at the bottom right, tap on the plus button in blue and you can begin measuring more distance by simply swiping through the screen. Simply add the points until you're done. If you want to remove the last point that you selected, you can simply tap on the undo button at the top right corner. If you want to clear out all the points, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on clear. That is how you can easily measure distance between 2 points on Google Maps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.